Hello, this is Lynn Mishu, and this is my presentation on computer programming. These are the common interests for a computer programmer. As you notice that the interest code is IC. I stands for investigative, and C stands for conventional. These are my career interest profiler results from a survey I took, and you'll notice that I also scored high in investigative and conventional. A job description of a computer programmer. They write programs in a variety of computer languages such as Python, Java, C, and C++. They also update and expand existing programs, test programs for errors and fix faulty lines, create and test code in an IDE, also known as an IDE, Integrated Development Environment, and use code libraries. Some of the skills required are programming skills, reading comprehension, complex problem solving, critical thinking, and active listening skills. Important qualities to have as a computer programmer are analytical skills, concentration. You should be detail-oriented because any little mark can throw your program off. You'll get errors. And troubleshooting skills. Educational requirements for a computer programmer. Most programmers have a degree in computer science or a related field. It could be a bachelor's or an associate's degree. Programmers who work in specific fields, such as healthcare or accounting, may take classes in that field to supplement their degree in computer programming. In addition, employers value experience, which many students gain through internships. Most programmers learn a few computer languages while in school. However, a computer science degree gives students the skills needed to learn new computer languages easily. During their classes, students receive hands-on experience writing code, testing programs, fixing errors, and doing many other tasks that they will perform on the job. To keep up with changing technology, computer programmers may take continuing education and professional development seminars to learn new programming languages or about upgrades to programming languages they already know. Licenses, certifications, and registrations. Programmers may become certified in specific programming languages or for vendor-specific programming products. Some companies require their computer programmers to be certified in the products they use. Here's just a screenshot of educational requirements. Wages for computer programmers vary depending upon where you live. And when you start out in Maine, it may be around the $41,000 mark, but it all depends on where you work. And you'll notice within no time you will earn your way into six figures. Here is a chart showing the different occupations in computers and the salary that you could possibly earn. This is from the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. More information on wages from a different source. Okay, so I'm going to